McNeil with Fine Consulting Services. And I'd like to thank y'all very much for getting on today. We're going over today financial literacy a little bit, and what I'd like people to know is the first thing you need to do is figure out exactly where you are. So we have a free budget analysis form that we'd like you to fill out. All you need to do is just email us at success@fineconsultingservices.com, and you can get a free financial analysis. But here we go. Here's the budget analysis, and let me show you how it looks. Okay, budget analysis is basically, it's just a spreadsheet that we put together that helps people get a better viewpoint of where they are financially. We have the days, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and yearly, how you get paid. So let's just pay, if you're a server and you get $100 a week, okay, and that's nothing, but let's just say a little bit more accurate, $400 a week, okay. So over a year, actually, that is accurate. $100 a day. I'm sorry. So if you make $100 a day, you're making basically 36 a year, and it lets you know what your total is per month over here. Now, your standard expenses, if you're paying rent, and you pay rent $700, and you buy groceries weekly, let's just say $75 a week. It gives you all the information you need to know, how much you are spending per month right here, and how much you're spending per year. So that gives you accurate information as in where you are going. If you go out to eat a lot, let's just say you go lunch, dinner, and breakfast, and you spend $10 per, so you say $30 a day that you're averaging. That's tossing you $10,000 a year and over $900 a month, and just going out to eat. Now, when you get your analysis part, you can look at your monthly total expenses. It's $1,900. Your average daily expense. See, this number is very crucial in the know, because now it lets you know how much money you need to make per day. So if you're going to look for a job and you're prospecting something, you want to know exactly how much you need to make per day to survive. And this is the number that we're going to give you. Plus, it lets you also need to know your emergency account. That's 3 months your expenses set aside, so if anything happens, you lose a job, you have that set aside. Now, your standard expense income is basically letting you know how much your expenses are in your standard things that your day-to-day spending. You know, rent, car, insurance, water, electricity, internet, all this stuff right here is your standard expense. And your external expenses or miscellaneous items, things that you may need but not really as much, and you can cut down on. So these are things that you can cut down and shave a little bit, so that's where your external expenses are. So when you at the end of the month, you really want to know what your cash flow is at the end of the month, and it's 1104, and then your percentage of cash flow is 34%. So whatever this percentage is, you always want to increase it a little bit more. So that's what we want you to help you out do. Now, here's some key secrets, security secrets to get you financially secure. First, you want to read this. I'm not going to go over it, but it gives you a basic understanding of what you need to do as in steps securing your finances and making sure you have a strong foundation. Okay, you're going to answer some questions down here, like basically yes or no questions down here, and it'll give you a barometer on where you are financially and if you need to move forward. So if you haven't answered these questions exactly like this right here, this analysis answers, then you don't need to move any further. Okay, now we do have the instruction page where this is not up just yet, but it will be on YouTube, and once you receive the analysis, you'll receive this on YouTube. So you just press that link and it'll take you directly to YouTube. Now, to get this analysis is very simple. It's a free analysis. You email us at success@fineconsultingservices.com, and if you would like to actually come to a presentation, if you're in the Houston area, just email us and we'll give you the date and time that we have these little meetings and talk about finances and credit, and let you come to a free presentation and take a look at what we can do to help you get yourself financially straight and back on the road of not needing to work for money. So, but we have a lot of different things, and we have a lot of different advisors that will be there, attorneys, CPAs, and you'll be able to get accurate, free information that would help you out. So just give us a call, and you'll be able to come out to one of our free presentations. Okay. So this is Ron McNeil, and don't forget to email us at success@Fine Consulting Services. If you need to, pause this and write this down and email us, and we'll be glad to help you out. So you have a great day, and thank you for joining us.